Hamlin, there are some sanctions, potential sanctions against Mr. Proctor. Could you state for the record the nature of those?
Thank you, Your Honor. May 16th of 2025, Mr. Proctor tested positive for ETG at Great Lakes Screening and Services. On May 19th, Mr. Proctor did admit to drinking wine. May 20th, Mr. Proctor was pulled over by the City of Gaylord Police Department and cited for a DWLS.
Mr. Brown, how does your client wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, at this time, I believe he is going to make admissions to the drinking.
All right, Mr. Hamlin, do you wish to proceed as to the DWLS charge if it makes an admission to the drinking charge?
Yes.
All right, we'll take the plea as to the drinking charge. Mr. Proctor, you've heard your lawyer indicate that you wish to admit this drinking violation. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what you did regarding May the 16th that makes you believe that you're responsible for drinking on that date?
I had a glass of wine with my grandma. I dropped dirty.
You knew that you were on bond conditions that prevented you from drinking at that time?
Yes.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask that the prosecutor give his notations.
Given the fact that he signed and acknowledged the bond conditions for the program and 24 hours later tested positive for alcohol, it would be wholly appropriate at this point for Mr. Proctor to turn himself into jail and a new bond be issued.
Mr. Proctor, he knew that he had messed up. I believe his grandmother is in poor health. They were talking, they sat down together and had a glass of wine. He wasn't getting drunk or anything, but it was still against the bond conditions. He knew that. Mr. Proctor can elaborate.
I did not have the drink after I got into drug court. I understand it was still on bond conditions, but it was not after I got into drug court. It was before I got into drug court. I dropped dirty on May 16th. I had the drink on the 14th. I'm taking full ownership of drinking.
Full ownership of what? That you drank on the 14th and tested positive on the 16th?
We'll go with 15th.
Mr. Proctor, do you know how alcohol works in the body? If you had one drink, probably within 2 hours, there's no alcohol left in your body. You can't test positive a day later from a one drink of alcohol. So you're lying to me someplace, or you're lying to yourself. Either way, it's not a good thing.
I had a drink on drug court, so I apologize.
How much did you drink, and when did you drink, and where did you drink?
I had three drinks.
So what did you drink? It's going to still be in your system 12 hours or 8 hours later.
I had 3 drinks. That's all I had. My grandma's right here with me.
You want to try again?
I only had 3 drinks.
How long are you going to be out of the state, Mr. Proctor?
I will be back on Friday.
To the jail for 2 days. You'll be there Saturday and Sunday. That's not only for drinking, but that's for lying to me. It gets worse as it goes along, so don't continue that behavior. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all for today.